Sensibility and practicality define the 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this could be the right fit. It features a continuously variable transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Mitsubishi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.